Hey, well, hello to everyone out there in YouTube land. I hope that everybody's doing well. I'm doing pretty good. I just wanted to come on pretty quickly just to share a tip. It's not anything mind-boggling or that phenomenal, but I just thought I'd share it. I had a block of cheese. Like sometimes you might buy a block of cheese or get a block of cheese or whatever, and you just maybe if you're not using it right away, you throw it in the freezer. That's what I do. I have like a Ziploc bag full of a variety of block cheeses and whatnot. And I took out this one mozzarella, the firm mozzarella, not the fresh, and I had it out for a couple of days, and I was like, you know what, you better slice this up and put, because I'm not going to use, it was, I know I'm not going to use the whole thing at one time, but every now and then again, making things, I like to put it on it or maybe have it with, as a snack or whatever. So I said, let me just slice it up. So I sliced it all up, and then I have these. I think I showed you these because I use these for burgers and for candy making. Just to put it, when I want to put things in the freezer, I use these so that they don't stick together or whatever. And it's 100 sheets. Now, I don't know if they still have this. I mean, at least at the Dollar Tree, you can buy it at other stores as well. But, it's a good deal for $1 at Dollar Tree. Because I did some burger patties and I used these for that, and it turned out pretty good. Matter of fact, I still have some in there, some burgers in there, and that was a little while ago, a few months back. But nonetheless, so I have those, and I'm going to be using, I'm going to put this one. This is a freezer bag, so I'm going to put the ones for the freezer in here, and the ones that I'm going to use for the refrigerator, I'll just put them in there. But yeah, so what I've done, I started doing, it's just layering them and putting them between here. And like I said, I'm just going to keep out a few of them. Oh, let me be careful. Keep it on the cutting board. So yeah, I'm just going to be putting a few, just keeping out a few of them, pieces or whatever. I don't really need much, and as I need them, I can just go in and get them easily out for if it's for a meal or for a snack or whatever, and I wanted to defrost it or whatever. So yep, I just wanted to show us that. I'm gonna complete this and I'll come back in a minute. Okay, sorry. So I'm back. So yeah, so I've completed everything. I always label, try to label, put as much information as possible on my package, and the original packaging is also inside of here. I always like to do that. I know a lot of people, they throw away the original packaging of things. It's like, I can't remember what was, what was what, and I want, it's got so much information on it or whatever, and this is the one that I have for the refrigerator, just a few, maybe 10 slices or whatever. So yep, this is what they look like. Nice little wax, little wax papers, already cut out, by 5 inches, about 5 inches or whatever. So anyway, just wanted to share that with us. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm getting ready to put this in the freezer now. Basically, I don't have much cheese. Like I got a lot of some farmer's cheese, some soft cheeses in there, but I'll probably do the same with the soft cheeses. Take them out and probably cut them while they're frozen, semi-frozen, and do the same with those. So anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye bye for now.